$15.1 billion. That's how much the trucking industry is losing every year because of detention time, and drivers are paying the price. A new 2024 ATRI report just exposed the numbers. Let's break it down and why the 17-hour clock rule could finally change this. Direct expenses. The industry lost $3.6 billion outright because of detention. Lost productivity. Add another $11.5 billion in wasted time and missed opportunities. That's $15.1 billion per year, gone. Now here's the kicker. Drivers reported being detained at 39.3% of all stops. And for certain groups, it's even worse. Women drivers, 49.1%. Reefer drivers, 56.2%. Fleets running the spot market, 42.5%. This isn't just a nuisance. It's a massive ongoing drain, one that the 17-hour clock rule can actually help fix. Let's break it down logically, then estimate realistic savings. How the 17-hour clock rule reduces detention impact. Pausing the clock ends the double penalty. Under today's 14-hour rule, detention eats up a driver's clock and ruins their chances to pick up another load. But with the 17-hour rule, drivers can pause their drive clock during detention, stopping the bleeding. 2. Restoration turns waiting into recovery. If a driver rests in the sleeper while waiting, that time can restore their drive hours, not just pause it. So even if the dock takes forever, the rest of the day isn't lost. 3. Better dispatch planning. With flexible hours, dispatchers can actually plan recovery loads after detention. No more blown clocks, no more wasted potential. 4. Less rush, safer driving. Drivers don't have to speed or stress just to salvage a load. That means fewer accidents, better fuel economy, and more peace of mind. Realistic savings estimate. Using ATRI's numbers, $3.6 billion in direct detention costs, $11.5 billion in lost productivity, equals $15.1 billion a year in total losses. Now, if the 17-hour clock rule launched in 2026, and we conservatively say it reduces just 20 to 30% of this impact, that's a potential recovery of $3 to $4.5 billion per year. That includes more completed trips, fewer missed loads, less unpaid downtime, fewer late penalties from brokers and shippers. Bottom line, the 17-hour clock rule doesn't just help individual drivers. It gives the entire industry a way to turn detention into recoverable time instead of a guaranteed loss. Even a modest improvement could return billions in value, year after year. If you're a driver, carrier, broker, or anyone in the freight chain, it's time to learn the 17-hour clock rule. Read it, share it, push for it. Because if we don't speak up, detention will keep stealing time and money from all of us.